Welcome to our tutorial on how to create an AR makeup try-on app. Today, we'll be diving deep into the techniques required to overlay makeup on a user's face in real time. Before diving into the code, let's discuss the prerequisites needed for this project. You should have a basic understanding of Java and Android development and have Android Studio installed on your machine. For augmented reality, AR, functionalities, we'll be using ARCore, Google's platform for building AR experiences. Make sure to add ARCore as a dependency in your project. Now let's set up our project. Open Android Studio and create a new project. Choose Empty Activity. Let's give our project a name. I'll name mine AR Makeup Try-On. Next, ensure you have the correct permissions in your Android manifest.xml file for camera access. Our app will use the camera real-time feed, so we need to set up the AR fragment to display it. In your layout XML file, add an instance of AR fragment. We also need to add scene form as a dependency to our build.gradle file. This library helps manage 3D objects and rendering. Let's create a class to handle our AR functionalities. Create a new Java class named MakeupARActivity. This class will handle all our AR features. The next step is to set up the camera input and detect facial features using AR functionalities. We need to add a listener to our AR fragment. In this listener, we can update our AR elements in real time. Let's set up a method to detect the user's face and track facial movements. Now, let's incorporate an object representing makeup. You can use 3D models from online resources or create your own. For this tutorial, we'll use a lipstick model. We'll need to load our 3D model. Add this method to load the lipstick model into the scene. The next part is crucial, attaching the lipstick model to the user's mouth position detected by AR. First, define a method to place the model. Let's also store the model in a variable when placing it in the AR environment. Up next, we need to define facial anchors for AR. To detect faces using ARCore, we'll utilize the Face API from ARCore. Let's set up our project for this API. Depending on the complexity, you may need to add support libraries for it. To visualize the makeup try-on, we'll continuously update the position of our lipstick based on the user's facial movements. Now, let's refine our app by adding a UI for users to select different makeup options. In your res/layout folder, create a new layout to display makeup options. With our buttons set up in the layout, let's assign click listeners to load different makeup models based on user selections. Finally, let's add functionality to clear the makeup by implementing a clear button. The door opens to test our app. Connect your Android device that supports AR and run the app. Ensure your canvas loads correctly and starts tracking the user's face. And there you have it. You now have a functional AR makeup try-on app that overlays makeup in real time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to keep up with more awesome content. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below.